In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade meme coins on BNB. Now, there's a lot of different platforms out there you can actually trade BNB meme coins on, but the one I use is Axiom Pro, and if you want to use it as well, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out, you will not regret it, it's truly amazing. Now, on here on Axiom, you actually first have to switch from the Solana chain because you used to only be able to trade Solana meme coins on here, but now they also added BNB meme coins. So click on Sol up here or whatever it says and click on BNB. Now after this, of course, you'll have to deposit some BNB on here, so you can click on the deposit button and then you can buy it right away over here. You can deposit it from a different address, or in case you're holding any Solana or of course Hyperliquid over here, you can just go ahead and convert that to BNB. After you have some BNB on here on your wallet, you can then go ahead and start trading. You can go to discover here and see kind of the trending meme coins, or just go to Pulse, where you can basically filter through a bunch of different meme coins here, as you can see, through new pairs, final stretch coins, and then the migrated coins as well. And then whenever you find a coin you would like to trade, so for example, let's say you just, I don't know, want to go for a random one, let's go for this one. And let's say this is the coin that you're trying to buy. And by the way, make sure you actually do your own research before buying coins, because most of them, of course, aren't usually legit and are scams. So make sure you actually do trade meme coins with proper research before that. But when you find a coin you'd like to trade, just go to the right hand side, click on the buy button, and then you can go ahead, select how much you want to buy, and then you can just click on the buy button over here, and whenever you're ready to sell, you can just sell using this button here. Okay, so that's how easy it is to trade meme coins on BNB using Axiom. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.